I guess you never know someone you think you know. Can't see the knife when you're too close, too close. It scars forever when someone you call a friend shows you the truth can be so cold, so cold. I wipe the dirt off your name with the shirt off my back. I thought that you'd do the same, but you didn't do that. Said I'm the one who's wanted for all the fights you started. You knew the house was burning down. I had to get out. You let your sweet sense in us and fed them last for dinner. You knew the house was burning down, and look at you now. And look at you now. How do you sleep at night? No one to hide behind. Betrayed every alibi you had. Every chance to make amends. Said you got drunk on bitterness. Said you still claim that you didn't sit insane. The truth said I'm the one who's wanted for all the fights you started. You knew the house was burning down. I had to get out. You let your sweet sense in us and fed them last for dinner. You knew the house was burning down. Used to tell me you played for me. You were playing for my downfall. You were taking a play for me. We were sharing the same four walls. Used to tell me you played for me. You were playing for my downfall. You were taking a play for me. We were sharing the same four walls. And you said I'm the one who's wanted for all the fires you started. You knew the house was burning down. I had to get out. You let your sweet sense in us and fed them last for dinner. You knew the house was burning down. You said you played for me. You were waiting for my downfall. Not down, you know. Played for me. We were sharing the same four walls. You tell me you played for me. You were waiting for my downfall. You were taking a play for me. We were sharing the same four walls. And you.
Let's learn Burning Down. It's choreographed by Maggie Gallagher and Gary O'Reilly. It is a 32 count, 2-wall intermediate level line dance. It has a restart on wall 1 after 16 and counts and a restart on wall 3 after 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Burning Down. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot forward into the 130 diagonal, and as you step, you're going to drop slightly, bending your right knee. You're now going to touch your left next to your right. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping down onto our left foot and flicking our right foot back to face 1030. Remaining in the diagonal, we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, we're going to cross our right behind our left, and as we cross behind, we're going to do a ronde hitch with our left knee, bringing it up and around. We're now going to cross our left behind our right. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, squaring up to the 12 o'clock wall, cross your left over your right, and step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to place your left heel forward into the diagonal, step your left next to your right, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping into the diagonal. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to quickly step our right next to our left and then step forward with your left. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're going to step back with our right, and as we step back with our right, we're going to do a ronde kick with our left. So we're stepping back with our right. You're gonna bring that left foot up and you're gonna kick it around off the ground from front to back. You're now gonna step back with your left and you're gonna ronde kick your right foot around from front to back. We're gonna make an eighth of a turn over our right shoulder, stepping back onto our right foot to face the 130 diagonal, and you're going to pop your left knee forward. We are now going to step down onto our left foot and we're going to do a syncopated rocking chair, rocking forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left, remaining into this 130 diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. We just touched. You're going to do your ball walk. So it's and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Section 3, we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder as you rock your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock and recover onto your right. We're now going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. Cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then rock back with your left and recover onto your right. So let's try that with some counts. We're facing the diagonal. We just did our rocking chair, so you're going to cross over. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot and sweeping our right from front to back. You're now going to step back with your right and sweep your left from front to back. We're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do a left coaster cross, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. We're now going to touch our right toe next to our left. We're going to step forward with our right foot into the 730 diagonal, and we're going to slightly dip down. So you're going to bend that right knee as you kind of rock, and then you're going to recover back onto your left foot, step back with your right, touch your left toe in front of your right, and then step down with your left, remaining in that 730 diagonal, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We just did our rock back recover with our left, so you're going to do your half sweep. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. It is on your left foot. You're starting with your dip into the diagonal. So it's dip, touch, quarter flick, cross, side, behind, ronde, hitch, behind, side, cross, side, heel, step, touch, ball, walk, rock, recover, back, ronde, kick, eighth rock back with your pop, recover, and your diagonal rocking chair and cross, eighth side, rock, cross, side, behind, quarter, quarter, behind, quarter, half, rock back, recover, half sweep, coaster, cross, touch, dip, recover, back, touch, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your dip into the diagonal. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. The first time you restart will be right away on wall 1. You're going to dance 16 and counts, which is up to your diagonal rocking chair. So let's dance up to that part so that you know where it happens. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your dip. So it's dip, touch, quarter flick, cross, side, behind, ronde, hitch, behind, side, cross, side, heel, step, touch, ball, walk, rock, recover, back, ronde, kick, eighth rock back, recover in your diagonal rocking chair. Right here, you're going to restart. This will become wall 2. You will dance wall 2 all the way through to the back wall. Then on the back wall, you are going to restart for wall 3 after 8 counts, which is after you would do your heel step touch. So let's dance up to that part facing the back wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your dip. So it's dip, touch, quarter flick, cross, side, behind, ronde, hitch, behind, side, cross, side, heel, step, touch. Now right here, you're going to want to pause ever so slightly. So you want to kind of drag out this touch very slightly so that you're hitting the music when it comes back in on that restart. You want to make sure you're just kind of taking like a breath and then starting. So when you get to this point and you do your and heel and touch, then go into it. So a very slight pause before you start wall 4. Now, let's talk about the ending. The dance ends facing 12 o'clock. However, there's an extra beat before the music completely ends. So you'll be doing your whole 32 counts. So you would do your dip, step, touch, step. All we're going to do is do that step with our right foot into the diagonal with our dip. So you're just going to step and dip to face slightly towards 12 o'clock, a little bit off-centered, and that is how you're going to end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from their restarts into their next walls. Weight is on your left. Remember our very first wall, you're going to dance 16 and counts. You're starting with your dip into the diagonal. So it's dip, touch, quarter flick, cross, side, behind, ronde, hitch, behind, side, cross, side, heel, step, touch, and walk. Rock, recover, back, ronde, kick, 8th rock, back with a pop, recover, diagonal rocking chair, restart, it's dip, touch, quarter flick, cross, side, behind, ronde, hitch, behind, side, cross, side, heel, step, touch, and walk. Rock, recover, back, ronde, kick, 8th rock, back with a pop, recover, diagonal rocking chair, it's cross, 8th side, rock, cross, side, behind, quarter, behind, quarter, half, rock back, recover, half sweep, back sweep, coaster, cross, touch, dip, recover, step, touch, step. This is going to be your 8 counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Restart. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on the dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Burning Down. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I guess you never know someone you think you know. Can't see the knife when you're too close, too close. It scars forever when someone you call a friend shows you the truth can be so cold, so cold. I wipe the dirt off your name with the shirt off my back. I thought that you'd do the same, but you didn't do that. Said I'm the one